अस्सलामुअलैकुम। इंग्लिश लर्निंग एंड क्रिकेट न्यूज़ में आपको वेलकम कहते हैं। पाकिस्तान वर्सेस साउथ अफ्रीका, so great match highlights. South Africa won by 1 wicket and 12 balls left. So first of all, South Africa batting highlights. So Bahuma scored 28 runs on 27 balls and Dekok scored 24 on 14 balls, and Van Dev Hussein scored 21 on 39 balls, and Markaram scored 91 on 93 balls. Hussein scored 12 runs on 10 balls. David Miller scored 29 runs on 33 balls. Benson scored 20 runs on 14 balls. Kurtzi scored 10 runs on 13 balls. Z scored 10 runs on 13 balls, and M. Maharaj scored 7 runs on 21 balls. L. Nigidi scored 4 runs on 40 balls, and Tabriz Shamsi scored 4 runs on 6 balls. So South Africa won by 1 wicket and 12 balls left.